Welcome back to Microsoft Word session. Today, let's come to know about auto text and autocorrect. Auto text is an option where we can get the lengthy text by using or by typing some abbreviations. Nowadays, we almost use the shortcuts. When we listen to the shortcuts, we'll understand what's the total abbreviation of that shortcut. For example, in computer, we use CPU, ALU, RAM, ROM, CU, MU, many together. Likewise, in our education, we'll be using the shortcuts like SSLC, PUC, ITI, BCom, BA, BSc, BBM, BCA, BE, MBBS, MBA, MCom, MA, so many things. Here, first we have to type the lengthy text, and for that lengthy text, we can give the shortcut, short text we can give. And whenever we require the same lengthy text, type the short way text, and automatically the lengthy text will be included in the Microsoft Word window. This we can try. And after that, the autocorrect. By itself only, it makes the corrections. In general, whenever we type the regular words with some mistakes, Microsoft Word corrects by itself. This option can be done with the help of autocorrect in MS Word. Let's come to know how to work with this auto text and autocorrect. Please bear few seconds. So this is how we are done in the previous class, in the previous session. Now let's work with the auto text. Example. Now I'll type Manipal Institute of Computer Education. So nearly including the spaces, you have typed some 39 letters. Now I'll block this one, block the entire text, block this one. Now, whenever I want Manipal Institute of Computer Education, I'll give the short abbreviation for this one as the MICE. So when I type the MICE, so I have to get Manipal Institute of Computer Education. How we can do this one? After blocking, after typing and block the text, use Alt F3 function key, hold Alt key and press F3 function key. F3 function key, it asks the name. On what name you want to store? We want to store that Manipal Institute of Computer Education. Now you can give a 2 letters or 3 letters or 3 letters. Now I'll give as a MICE over here. Make it okay. When you make it okay, now the Manipal Institute of Computer Education will be stored in the abbreviation called as a MICE. Now let's try how to get back that Manipal Institute of Computer Education. Now I'll type MICE. After typing MICE, you press F3 function key to get the lengthy form of text. This is how. So let's try once again. I'll type random access memory. And as we know that for this random access memory, we can give the shortcut as a RAM. First block the text, hold Alt F3 function key, type the shortcut as a RAM and make it OK. Now placing anywhere the cursor pointer, we can get that shortcut. Just type RAM and press F3 function key. We can see the full form of RAM. So this saves our time. Just type the abbreviation and press F3 function key. We are going to get the lengthy form of that abbreviation. This is the way how we can work with the auto text. Next, coming to the autocorrect. As I said, the autocorrect. Now, if I type today's day, any weekday's name, suppose if I type as a Tuesday, when you press the space bar key, the first letter of the weekday is capitalized. Likewise, if I type the month name, press the space bar, now it has not been changed. So let's take another one. I'll type November, press the space bar. We can see that the starting letter of November has been capitalized. This one. And next, suppose when the caps lock is on in the keyboard, if we type any word, for example, now I will type computer. You can see there the first letter is small letter in the lower case and remaining is in uppercase, and you press the space bar, so it corrects by itself. This is called the autocorrect. Likewise, if I type some general words, TEH, it comes as a press the space bar, it takes to converts into what? The THTA, that, and again, if you type ABOTU, it has been changed to about. Likewise, here the TH or TSTA, if you type TH, it should convert into the. If you type TST, it should convert into that. Here they are not corrected by itself because these options will be not present in the autocorrect options. For example, my city is Bellary. Earlier, we used to type Bellary as Bellary. But the thing is what? Whenever I type Bellary, it should change to what? Ballari. So this I want to store in auto text entry. Sorry, autocorrect entry. How we can store this Bellary and that should be changed to Ballari. Let's come to know how to store it in autocorrect entry. Go for office button here. Click on this options, word options. When you click on word options, here you will see at the left side popular, display, proofing, save and advanced. Click on proofing. In this proofing, we are having autocorrect options. Click on this autocorrect options. And here all some options are there. So, but here now I want to convert, I want to correct Bellary to Ballari. How we can do so that one? Just type Bellary. That means type the old text, and now that should be replaced with what? Ballari. Click on add and make it OK. Likewise, let's see if I type TEH, it should be changed to THE, add, and next if I type THTA, it should be changed to that, add, and make it okay. Once again, click on OK to close this option after this office button option. Now let's try TH, press the space bar. It has been changed to the THTA. Now it is changed to that. Likewise, BELLARY. Now it is changed to what? Ballari. So likewise, we can work with the autocorrect. I hope you have understood this session, how to work with the auto text and how to work with the drop cap, sorry, auto correct. Thank you. Keep watching our channel.